Hey, welcome! With this recording we start a new series of videos within our Fit at Otto. My name is Roxana, I am a personal trainer and every 4 weeks I'll be preparing a set of exercises for you, in turns with recipes that you can make at home. In this set we will focus on strengthening your back and abdominal muscles. You will need a mat and some sort of weights. This could be dumbbells or just bottles of water. If you have everything ready, then I will not prolong it any further. Let's do it! Place your hands and feet on the mat. Hands in line with shoulders, knees in line with hips. With your back in a neutral position, tighten your abdominal muscles and straighten your right arm and left leg at the same time, trying to align them in a straight horizontal line. If this is too difficult for you, start by straightening just the arm or just the leg. Lie on your right side and support yourself on your right hand, the hand in line with the arm. Place your left foot a bit to the front on the mat and the right foot a bit to the back, and lift your body upwards. It is important that the ankles, knees, hips and shoulders are in line and the head is facing straight ahead. Hold for 15 seconds. Now change the position. Bend the right leg and rest on the knee. Hold for 15 seconds. Now change the position again, bend the right arm and rest on the elbow. If the initial position is too difficult for you, start with the easiest position, which is the last one. Now lie on your stomach, legs straight all the way down on the floor, place your hands at the back of your head and lift upper body slightly upwards. It is important not to lift extremely high, not to put strain on the lower back. Stay on your stomach. Arms and legs straight, tighten your abdomen and lift your right arm and left leg up. Then come down and change sides. Stay on your stomach. Straighten arms in front of you, bring them straight in a half circle to your buttocks and return. Now, when you move your arms back, try to move them a little higher and in the meantime also lift your torso slightly. The aim of this exercise is to move your shoulder blades back and down, so remember to rotate your hands and point your thumbs in the air. Keep your feet on the ground at all times and your abdominals tight. Lie on your stomach. Arms straight and extended in front of you. Tighten the abdominal muscles and lift the arms upwards. Bring the elbows outwards and draw them towards the hips, lifting the chest and torso slightly. Bring the arms forward again and repeat the movement. Turn onto your back. Feet flat on the ground, hip width apart. Arms along your body, tighten your abdominal muscles, and from your feet push your hips up as high as you can. If you feel your lower back too much during this exercise, try tightening your abdominal muscles more. One of my favorite exercises for the core. Lying on your back, lift your arms and legs so that they are at 90 degrees to your torso. Tighten the abdomen, lower the right arm and left leg towards the ground at the same time, and lift them back to the starting position. Then switch sides. This exercise takes some practice, so control the movement and take your time when doing it. Stay on your back. Tighten the abdominal muscles again, feet flat on the floor, arms along the body, and lift one leg up to 90 degrees. Then slowly lower it down and repeat the movement with the other leg, and repeat. Now we're going to do a dumbbell row. Stand up, take dumbbells or bottles of water, bend your knees slightly and do a slight incline. Tighten your abdominal muscles, your head is an extension of your torso, and your arms drop down. Make the movement as close to the torso as possible and pull the shoulder blades together as much as possible, but not all the way up, but gently at an angle, not to strain the neck too much. Imagine that you have something between your shoulder blades and you want to crush it with your shoulder blades. Thanks for the training! I hope you enjoyed it, and if yes, I will see you soon.